everybody! Today we're gonna draw a digger. So we're gonna use these colors.
Blue.
Yeah, it's white, purple, blue and pink. No? This is blue. Yes, this one is blue. And how many colors are we gonna use? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 colors. So we're gonna start with wheels. Wheels.
This one.
Yeah. Pink? You want to use pink for wheels? Okay.
Yeah.
Front wheel. Here you have to move a little. Can you move, please? Here. There you go. Back wheel is a little bit bigger than front wheel. Now we're gonna fill it up. So we're using pink for wheels. Now are we gonna make this like special details on wheels? Look at that.
Oh, Mama, Papi, hurry.
It's digger.
Digger?
Digger.
This.
Yeah, it has. Oh, you're saying it has teeth?
It's her teeth.
Teeth.
Down.
Yeah, kind of.
Like this. Down.
Yeah, it can move easier through piles of dirt. Dirt.
Down.
There you go. We have 2 big wheels.
But
Now we're gonna. What color are we gonna use next? White?
like blue.
Blue? Okay, we're gonna use blue. Oh, it's running away from us. Okay, so the base of the digger will be blue. We need to move your legs.
Down,
There you go. Okay. Are you helping me here? Helping? Okay.
Bye bye. Wheels. Someone. Wheels.
Are you drawing wheels? Good job. Okay, so we have window here, steering wheel. We're gonna fill it up a little bit. There you go, look.
Car.
Yeah, a car. Car went around. Now what do we need for a digger? We need a little chimney. Can you lend me a purple? Yes, I see. You draw a dot, purple dot. Okay, now we're gonna draw a chimney.
This?
Yes, purple. Okay, here is a chimney. Chimney. Yeah, and there's gonna be smoke coming out of the chimney. Smoke. There you go. And now, to make it digger, it needs to have a loader. It needs to have a bucket, yeah. Front loader or back loader? It's gonna be front loader, okay? So we're gonna draw a bucket. There you go, yes. There you go. It's front loader because it has bucket in the front. And there's gonna be huge wide rock. Okay, here's our digger. Bye everybody.